Let's go drift it.
So first thing I'm going to do with the trailer is take all the wood off and see what I got to work with. Alright, so we're continuing the trailer build. I've gotten some little more progress. You can see the wheels in the background. I've taken those off so we can paint and get some new tires. So you can hear here, I've got the tires off. I've got one braking axle here and then one idler that has no brake. And you can see these are like probably different looking than most trailer wheels and hubs and stuff. These are actually originally mobile home trailer axle, or I mean, not they're mobile home style, but I think these were actually like old heavy duty trailer axles, because came on this too, and because they actually have a bolt-on braking plate, and you can see that one there. And these aren't cut at all. These were definitely like old 6,000 pound trailer axles. They just have a interesting demountable rim. Here's the rim. You can see there's no innard, and this literally just bolts to the center of the hub. And there's like little 5 clamps that clamp on. So definitely like an old school look for sure. And these are bias ply tires. I only have one that's flat, but I'm going to go ahead and just change them all out. Here I got some steel because I need to make some trailer ramps. So I'm going to make a set of 15-foot long ramps, or 6 foot long by 15-inch wide ramps, and they're going to go right here, hook on, and then I'll get new tires and stuff and load the car on. But I also have to take these rusty fenders off, because the fender between the fenders is actually not wide enough for the car to go on, because the car is like 8 inches wider in the front. We'll get more of an update once I get the fenders cut off. Just use a cutoff wheel for that, and then we're gonna have to get everything painted. Here is the metal. I bought some sticks of tubing. This is 2-inch by 2-inch by 0.83 wall. And I have some 2-inch by 2-inch by 1/8 angle, and these two combined will make the ramps for the trailer. And I chose the box for the sides because that's going to be stronger than, say, angle or channel. And I bought these from Race City Steel. I would say I highly recommend, if you live in North Carolina, to use them. They deliver to residential addresses if you buy a certain amount, and the prices are very, very competitive. So I've cut one fender off, and I'm going to cut the other one off now. Cut off pretty cleanly. And also I've got my new tires. Working on demounting the wheels. I demount all the tires. It's pretty easy with a tire iron and a pry bar, and then I'm going to paint them and then put the new tires on. Here's a trailer all completed with the RX-7 on top. You can see it's a pretty tight fit on the width, so I will add some extensions at the front, in front of the wheels, to have some more area on the trailer. And the last thing I need to do is the lights. You can see that we have one light that's broke, and I want to make the wiring all nice, and I will eventually add trailer brakes and paint the thing, because I said I was going to paint the thing about 3 times, but I did not have time before the last drift day. But it seems like now I will have some time to paint everything and make it all nice. Thank you guys for checking out my video. Hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you guys are staying safe and getting a lot of stuff done while we get rid of this COVID-19. So I'm going to try to do some videos on like rebuilding my car, and I think I'm going to do a pretty thorough disassembly and reassembly. So please be on the lookout for that. But stay safe, and thanks for watching.